good.
He
Man.
got a strike too.
That's good. That's good.
There you go. Get that strike sign. There you go. That's 2 for 2.
You gotta beat him.
He's got him a double.
Job.
See if he gets one. Yep. Oh man.
I could see it being something that you would try to do in the future, but we're just in for wait.
We got a big range to play with tonight, tomorrow, whatever. I mean, we dropped from the day high to low. We had 725 points going down, man. It's crazy. It's a lot. Man, the people that followed the system, they made money. The ones that didn't. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they did not make any money on them. Everyone that was going bullish.
I was saying.
He lost.
People kept going, oh, it can't keep going down. It can't keep. Yes, it can, and it did. See this?
You're winning by 1 point. You better strike it out, son. There you go. Another strike.
Go ahead and turn on this right here. Turn on this right here.
He's got 3 strikes on 4 flank frames already.
Oh, yeah? That's sweet. Click. Get them. Get them, man. Get them. All right. So right now we are just looking at the choppies of the choppies, and nothing's going on there. You know? So we don't want to.
Oh.
We don't want.
This is gonna be Dad. You haven't got a 1 yet.
That's funny. Yeah, get that. We don't have anything to do right now. Yeah. Easy. Super easy. I wonder if they're going to give us a move. They haven't. It isn't moved at all. Nothing here. Nothing to see here. I get some bearish sentiment there. Right now, Trade Shield is telling us to do nothing. We got X's on the screen up here, XXX on Trade Shield. That means do absolutely nothing because we are chopping. And It is right. 70% of the time, the last 77 days. Let's see. 541, 70%. So I'm just gonna go ahead and listen to it, right? Yep. And look at it, it's right back up. That's why the candles are dimmed. I do nothing right now. Nothing. Do nothing. I'll be back and take a leak. Here we go. We're looking for some action here. We don't have anything yet. That's typical. But we've got ourselves the start of a zone today. If you didn't catch this, we started opening right here at 9:30 and we stayed below 4-hour bearish, came down, came up, retested, boom. I started trading this. Coming down here. That's what I did today. The ICT traders tried to buy all this right here. They tried to buy all this right here in this fair value I got too. They got wicked out and then came down. Had they been using the real deal system, they would have known to short today. Just saying. Yes, sir. What we got going on right here. Boom. Still have nothing, man. So I shorted this right here this afternoon. See how it dumped? Boom. I made a video about it. Did you see it? And then I longed this right here. Bam, straight up into here. I made $2,000 right here and right here today. Simple. Simple. Just all in the plan. And then I counter trend traded this right here because I just saw the break.
Strategies, my mind's a machine. Indicators fine-tuned, precision and clean. From Rango to V, drop on my systems aligned. High probability, I own this grind.
That the red went right down through it where the alert went off. What do you mean by the red went down through it? Are you talking about price went down through it right when the
No,
Dad,
dude.
what? Look at
This.
Dad, I got a
So this is measuring pressure and structure. And it's if both of them aren't aligning, it won't do anything.
Okay.
So it's just a confluence, but it's a really good confluence, right? And so edge pulse, this is the update, right? And these arrows are where the dots were. So I'm using arrows instead of dots now. But
Yeah.
the lines mean something. Like this is telling you if you're into zero right here, you're chopping. If it breaks out of it, then it's increasing and its pressure is leaving, right? And if it's between 0.5 and 1, you're in a strong uptrend, right? Pushing up or downtrend pushing down. And it's kind of like a like an ADX, but it's stronger. It's better. I think it's better. Because we're using pressure and structure. And I mean, I don't know anything else that does that, but that's why I'm not gonna waste my time building shit that already exists, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So that's why I don't have a momentum indicator or a fucking RSI or whatever, because it's like they already exist. I don't waste my time building this shit. I'm an inventor. I want to invent shit.
That's right.
I'm gonna say I built it. I made that up. But yeah, so it's just a confluence, man. It's not a step 1, step 2, step 3 thing, dude. It's a conditional thing.
Yeah.
And that's why we have the alerts. So you don't have to sit here and wait on the conditions. You just set your alerts, and when the condition's right, like when this trade shield flips bearish, I'll get a ding, 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 and I'll start paying attention. Or bullish. And then I'll start looking at shit, right?
Yeah.
So like, cause this short earlier, I took a short. I wasn't watching this, man. I got an alert, dude. I came back and was like, oh yeah, that's good. Click. $1,000 richer. And then I saw it bounce back up and I was like, oh shit. So I just started slamming into it and took profit all the way up here. I didn't get a video of that, but I took a bunch of pictures and posted them. But the first one I took a video of for sure. That's a bad scalp. Badass scalp, man.
Two badass scalps.
Yeah.
Dad, he's probably gonna win.
I'll say that. You keep getting strikes.
Let me mute that. Badass scalp. The badass scalp.
Yeah. Empowerment anthem for traders. I'm the breakout hunter, paving my own way.
And Beth is killing it, dude. She's finally like she's really taking trades on her own, finally getting it. Loving it. She's put so much work in though. I mean, she's putting in the work now, dude. She's like, she wants it. She wants it, man. She wants it. It ain't even that hard, man. It's just follow the system, dude. This has made it so simple for people to make money, even though, like, well, you didn't catch this up. Okay, so what? Like, we caught all this down because we're picking a direction, right? And honestly, most people are trading prop firms and they're trading Apex. Guess what? If you flip directions on Apex, they won't let you have the profits or whatever their fucking rule is. You're not allowed to go up, down, up, down. You have to stick with the bias with them. So there you go. But they're like, well, why didn't you catch this reversal right here? What do you mean, man? What do you mean? It's not confirmed. It's what do you mean? I caught this, boom, $1,000. Caught this, boom, $1,000. Like, you know what I mean? Like, why didn't you go long at the open? Why would I do that? Look at this shit. Like, look at this. Why are you watching my screen if you're not looking? Right? Like, why the fuck would you buy that? It's below the 4 hour zone. It's fucking, it's actually graying out saying, hey, don't take a trade right here. See trade shield? No. Well, the ICT traders, they bought this fucking candle. Like, whoa, you're a dumbass. Look at now. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I didn't even take that. I took these shits over here. Actually, I took this break here and this whipped up on me. So I got out of break even right here on this one. And then I took all these. Right? So, but my mistake, here's my mistake. Look at this. It drops down. I didn't get no retest and break or resistance on the zone here. See that? This just came down and I just took it out of yeah, and it whipped back up. And why was that? Because there was a 1 minute fair value gap here that all the ICT guys were buying. So when they got stopped out, all those orders came in and it just impulsed up and then it came back down again. And then look, this was the first entry you should have taken right here, right? It drops down and look at, we're getting all these wicks. You're like, oh, hell yeah. Then you finally get this momentum candle right here. Boom, there's your stop. And then you take your profit at the next zone. There's your trade. Right? And then you get another rejection coming up, more rejections, boom to the next one, and then boom to the next one, you know? So that's what I did. I didn't do all the other stupid shit. Why? What's yours look like? I kind of want to make these my institutional ladder little dimmer, maybe. Did that not dim it? The fuck? Damn, it's not even dimming it. The hell? I gotta fix that. That's crazy. All right, I'll fix that. But that color's okay. I don't know. Let's try like a gray or white or something. Yeah, that's even better, I think. Maybe even that. Yeah. That's all right. That ain't too bad. You know?
every candle.
So we're not getting anywhere right now.
Now I'm guiding you.
Let's see where our previous 4 hour was. Previous 4 hour high and lows right there. So we haven't even gone to the mid of it or anything. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't have a trade yet. Got some funky price action going on, so maybe that's pushing up now. Let's see.
You got the tools breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules. No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life one trade at a time. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter.
Damn, my FLB on my Ninja Trader like disappeared on me. What the fuck?
We're breaking the chains, we're building our fate. The breakout's here now, elevate. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Let's step in the market, let's come alive.
There you go. Get that 4 hour on there. I like that 4 hour, man. I'm telling you, dude. Ever since I started using the 4 hour for entries and like figuring out what really is going on, I've been killing it, man. Yeah, there ain't no guessing. So we're getting some bullish momentum here. Finally, something's popping off. So I'm gonna want to see trade shield just flip bullish. It says. I'm gonna be looking for some longs here, but I need I'm not just gonna buy the first candle that breaks out, right? That's stupid. No, that's on this, which is just for development of trade shield. Oh, they said no. They want daddy. But it's just the first 15-minute candle, man. You can just mark that. I've seen the red. Oh yeah. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me. The game is mine. There we go. I'm in the zone. I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind. I take the fall. I rise even stronger. Let's see if we can't get something to stick here. I don't know why my status line is so massive. What is that? Jesus. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, that's why you don't just go buying the first impulse. Look at that right there. Oh. I do have bullish sentiment at the moment, but still gotta wait for some type of confirmation. Can't just go buying the hell out of everything. So we will wait. Yeah.
I've marked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I need a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way. Learn the markets flow with every candle, my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the
Everybody's selling their bitcoins. Oh my god.
I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From
That's just
minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done. I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by. I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did.
yeah, see, I knew that was gonna happen. We're not tricking anybody here.
The whistle blows, the shift's complete.
But yeah.
I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind.
Let's try.
No more just working to get by. I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the spread. I'm breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set.
Well, it doesn't look like Open's gonna give us anything.
My kids will carry on.
I mean, it did run up 50 points. So, but it didn't meet any criteria for me to get into it at all.
From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. Whistle blows, shit,
And,
I refuse defeat.
I mean, oop, shit. I'm trying to drop tabs out of, there we go. There we go. There's a pullback if this is going to confirm it, but it's kind of sweeping pretty hard right here. I don't know if I like that. Let's see what this wick gives us off of this this zone here. And yeah, where did that Mr. Doolittle go?
In the shadows of the city, where the lights don't shine, little hearts are dreaming,
Oh yeah.
reaching for the sky.
Oh yep. See, look at this, man. We're already getting some rotation.
Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers
Yeah. Well, we're up and down, up and down. Rotation through the zone.
as the fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you fight.
So
With every step
if it's not going to hold anything, I mean, we're only 38 minutes into it, but if it's not going to hold structure at all right now, then it's not worth it for me to even look into any of these trades. So like, look at that. It's not even deciding to build any type of structure. It's just whipping. It might just channel, it might stay in this channel, which could give you some opportunities to get into some scalps, channel scalping. Which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that, right?
building bridges to tomorrow.
And when the candles are gray like that, that's usually what's going to end up happening. But I don't like, I'm not pushing that to anybody that isn't ready to trade like that, you know, because a lot of our members are newer traders. Well, not even newer, but like, you know, they lack structure and rules is what the problem is. So like telling them, hey, when this says no trade, go ahead and do that, you know what I mean? Like, that's not a good idea.
Sharing all the knowledge, showing what to do. From
Like even our profitable ones still like will go tilt and
breaking every chain,
do stupid shit.
dark to bright. Break the
I'm not naming names, but I'm just saying, hey, what are you doing? Oh, I thought I knew better. Oh, what did it teach you? Yeah. Got my ass kicked.
every move you make. Break the
Hey. Well, I bet you this had X's all on it, didn't it? No, it didn't. It said bullish. So I revamped this for you. by the way. If you're in the middle and it's you're chopping, dude. Just like leave it alone. Right? And even on your 5 seconds, like look at it. Good. Right? So just leave it alone. And you'll be fine, man. You won't make those mistakes anymore. You'll be like, this isn't good. And you just walk away from it. You know, some of my best trades are when I walk away and I come back later and I sit down and literally 2 minutes later, I'm like, oh shit, look at that. Click. Seriously, I swear to God, I don't know why. It's because it's a fresh set of eyes. I think you're not staring at it going, I got to get into a trade. I got to get into a trade. And that's what happens to a lot of people. Yep. 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 Well, right. Yep. 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 Well, if you follow the trade shields direction, you can take entries on the, so if you're on a trade shield right here, right, you could take end cap shorts and just take those and no longs, and you're more likely to win the trade than not, because you're going with trend direction, right? And you're going you're not going against it. So even if you fuck your entry a little, you might luck out and then it just keep falling down for you. So yeah, you're just getting chopped. Yeah. Yep.
Into bright, break out Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul.
See, when I go in drawdown and then I get into a trade that fixes my drawdown, I close it, I take the money, and I walk away for a little while, and then I come back later with a clear mind, and that usually works out for me, right? Or I just stop trading for the day, like call a break even a win instead of a loss, you know. And yeah, but it does, I understand, but you have to defeat that, man. You have to get into that mindset.
Secrets that the numbers yield. We're scalping the market. Swift and keen.
Honestly, I don't want to take any of this, dude. Like, I don't see a setup here at all, man. Like, yeah, we could be doing this channel trading, but that's cool. Like, I don't, like, our edge pulse is still below 0, and like we're below a 4-hour zone here, and we already manipulated to the high a little bit, or not even manipulated, but swept some liquidity up here from right, like they've already taken the open. So I don't know, man. I don't see a setup period. I don't like any of this. We're not getting, when you know it's time for a trade, if you're watching the chart, you'll start to see momentum building. You'll start to see handles getting kind of bigger and whipping around a little more, and like you'll see the momentum, right? And then you'll know that there's a player stepping in. Even if you're not watching like Bookmap or something, you'll see that. You'll see the action come into play.
And down, like you can literally, it's like literally watching a war.
Yeah. Yep.
And you
What's
kind of
up,
watch it
the
and
ducks?
see
So,
going up and hitting levels within each candle.
And like, look at this 4-hour candle here.
Yeah, that bitch looks like it wants to dump.
I think it's gonna kind of come sweep this 4-hour mid here, previous 4-hour mid, and do something. I think that's what's gonna happen, but I'm not. Obviously, I'm not.
feeling hyper confident.
No, I mean, if that's what I would like to see it do, and that'll kind of give me a general idea of something. But right now, it's nothing. I ain't getting shit right now. Just nothing. I'm just watching to see if it gives us me a setup, and if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna fucking be done with it and move on to something else, like 10 o'clock or I don't know.
Absolutely.
But I'm definitely not getting chopped out in this shit. I ain't clicking nothing.
Me too.
I mean, it's
I can't say I'm a
It's
new
gray.
man, but I'm
look at the candle
dying to
color.
not get my balls kicked in.
I'm really trying to make it so they just disappear so you can't even see it. That's what I need to do. You know what my next project's going to be?
Cutting off candles when there's no trade.
A platform. I'm going to build a platform that follows my rules. It won't let you take trades and entries when the candles are dull, and it won't let you take a long when this says short. It's going to be the training wheel. I'm going to call it the training wheel platform.
Fuck yeah. The Doolittle platform.
Doolittle.
Training wheel.
Doolittle.
Doolittle platform. Maybe that's what I should do. I'm going to start working on Trade Shield for Ninja Trader, and I think I can actually use it to lock out entering if this isn't in the right, if you're not trading in the right direction.
Yeah.
I think I can do that with Ninja Trader because it's actually in C# trading views in PineScript, which is it doesn't even give a fuck what I think. C# does. I might be able to do that. That'll help people like that's guy here.
Think you're gonna
When you try to click it because they're getting using emotional decision instead of using logic, and statistics,
so much
probability.
emotion.
When it says nope, denied, can't enter. It'd be great for some people, man. I think.
Or not even let them trade, but tell that, like, say you go to short and a long, and instead of telling it just no, you can't trade here, or not allowing trades, the why behind it. Like, in the market right now, what's happening is this.
Well, I mean,
And
we're
this
not
is why it's
aligned.
happening.
We're not aligned with the statistical
Yeah.
edge. I mean, look at right here. I mean, if I go put on a 30-minute candle on this, last 542 days, it says 69.19% is correct. And if I go to 4-hour, it gives me more days of data. It gives me almost 2,000 days. It says 69% is correct. That when
How
this
come I don't-
leaves the
how come I don't
zone,
have that.
it's correct because this is for development. This is what's powering this.
So
You do have it. It's built into the FLB. It's just not plotted. All this is
why
in
are
your,
my zones? Why don't my zones look like that?
like what?
Two-tone.
Because you haven't probably updated your shit.
I have updated it. I'm starting a whole new chart now.
But right here,
I'm getting rid of my dots.
FLB. This is the new zone coloring that's basing off of direction. So this right here is what powers
Oh, that's my
this. So I made it super simple so we don't have to clog your screen up, right? So it powers this right here and tells you don't trade or go only buys or only shorts. Makes it super simple.
Hold up. That orb that's at the bottom of your other one, or at the orb itself, the blue box, is that the area that it is showing like no trade? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. So right now in that box it's saying no
Well, it's
trade.
based, yeah, and it's based on the daily FLB zone, the daily candles zone here. Whatever it does. And then that's so. Weren't you here for the fucking meeting on the weekend?
I was here for it, but I just don't remember. I
So
don't
this is how
remember
this
shit. I don't
this is how
recall
this
that, mate.
statistics are built. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the daily FLB leaves the opening range for the day and never returns, it considers it a trend day. If it
Okay.
goes up and then slams back down, it considers it a rotation day. So based on those statistics, you should be trading in the direction it's telling you to fucking trade. Just like 70% of the time over 2,000 days, it's right. And we don't rotate. Now, if we do rotate, right, and you get stopped out and it flips and goes the other way, well, you know to start trading that direction for the rest of the day, right? So there you go. And here's this right here. Look at this. Like I told you, when you get momentum, you're gonna know it. Look at this candle, man.
Yep.
So yeah. Let's see here. Yep. Yeah, you don't want to be doing anything until it says it, man. That's why you can set alerts for it, and it'll just let you know when conditions have changed that you're favorable for you to start getting into trades. You don't have
Gotcha.
to.
Dill, you're carrying your end cap forward?
Huh?
You're carrying your end caps forward?
What do you mean?
Show
He's
end
asking
caps.
on his
Oh,
settings. He's setting a new
Oh yeah,
thing.
yeah. I have them on you.
yeah.
But I'm just looking for this to finally give us a. And see, look, still chopping. It just dumped right back down. See,
Yep.
it's not ready, man. Not ready.
Dude, that's cool as shit. Now that I understand what the gray is, I obviously know it means no trade, but I didn't know, like, is it the zone?
Yeah,
a
it's
certain
based
zone
on
that
all
trading?
this. Yeah,
Okay, all right.
and this
So that
shit's
helps.
like insane, dude.
That honestly, right there with the boxes, helps me see better. You know, it just kind of, I don't know.
This would just confuse the fuck out of you if it was on here with this. That's why you just follow this, and then you
Yeah.
start using your 4 hours and 15s and shit, right? I had it on there, dude, and I was like, oh god, I don't know what the hell. So
I'm done overthinking it.
yeah, so like, and I didn't, when I saw the numbers, I was like, I don't believe this. So I went back and like fucking looked at like 500 days worth of data, going, oh my god, it's real, right? And I did the updates and started pulling the statistics. I was like, oh my goodness, that's edge, dude. There's edge on a fucking plate handed to you. If you don't follow it, you're a dumbass. Just saying, like, I don't know how other way to say it.
Yeah.
Like, if you
Just saying, Ladots. I mean,
I mean, seriously though,
No,
man,
he's
like,
talking to me too. He's talking to me
yeah.
too.
like if you just follow what it fucking says, like you're gonna get in the right direction. Now, if you get chopped out or you get wicked out or something stupid like that, doesn't mean the trade's wrong. It just you entered late or your stop loss is too tight or whatever. Like,
So my new rules for myself, when it goes out, when it gives me my alert, that's what I'm going to set is my alerts for the whichever thing. And once you come to it, you only enter when your FLB zone is red or green or whatever, and it's allowing you to trade.
yeah, but like if you to simplify the fuck out of it, just wait for the break and retest, man. While it's
Yeah,
red,
that's what I'm
while
saying.
it's red, watch this. Watch this. Break, retest, boom. See that?
enter.
While
Yep.
no, the enter was up here. Break, retest, enter, target, the next zone.
Yeah, as soon as it comes back out on the retest, right?
Yeah. And if you can see the momentum shifts in the candles, like this big ass thing dumps through it, right? So
Yeah.
that's as simple as you can make it. Break, it's literally breaking the institutional zone right here. Retesting while this is red. There's your fucking trade. Like just short it. Stop at the high, and then put your TP at the fucking next zone. That's it.
I'm gonna get that right there.
And don't
tattooed on me.
touch nothing. Don't, after you set the trade, don't touch a fucking thing. Let it run. There you go. That's as simple as it can get, right? And then, but if you're understanding, the price action a little more, you can take this one and then this one, and then, you know what I mean? Like for example, I took this trade and then I went break even and it whipped up on me. And then I realized my mistake. Here's a 1 minute fair value gap. All the ICT traders entered there on their pending orders, then got stopped out right here when it dropped down. That created a shit ton of orders, so it's impulsed up. But look at what happens. It comes right back down and it starts respecting the 4-hour candle right here, this fucking zone. And then if you wanted to take that as an entry, you could. And look at this, dude. See? So you got to break and retest of the zone itself, or you can break and retest the institutional zones, right? So it's really however you want to look at it. Or if you maybe you missed this and you don't want to chase it, and then you go, oh, look, here's another opportunity, right? So
Yep.
that's how easy it can be, man. People want to complicate shit, and it's not complicated.
That's how easy.
I've done figured out now.
Like
No trade actually means no trade.
Yeah, and even the open right here. This is 930 right here, and look at this squiggly shit. People are trying to long and all kind of like, whoa, look at the zone, man. We don't even come up over it with a wick. What are you trying to buy for? You know what I mean?
They don't have that. They don't have the FLB, brother.
I know. Well, there's people that tried to long this morning that I know of that do have it. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Do you see anything coming? You don't even have a wick coming over
I
the.
think there's
The beacon didn't
one
even
of them
break.
sitting right under this fucking call.
The beacon didn't even break the damn.
No, it was below the zone. It was everything we've ever talked about, and
Oh yeah.
everything.
Don't you love not following the rules? Even though you go in, and you're like, all right, it's doing this,
Every fucking
doing
thing.
this. It's like, oh fuck, in it, and then it slaps your PP.
Every time I still follow the rules, I get my ass handed to me. And then I'm chasing drawdown. Like, fuck that, dude. Not happening to me anymore, man.
Right.
Finally break out of his zone.
Just trying to get it right again.
It looks like it's gonna.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna try and.
But I'm not gonna just,
Like that,
there, go look at that. See, now I'm not just gonna, oh yeah, you know, I'm gonna look for the confirmed entry back down. So I just got an alert. And now look at the screen right here, bearish, right? So now we're just waiting on confirmation. See if it's just gonna whip or not. That's it. It's that simple, man. Like, think about it. So this at the U.S. Open went bearish at 931. But it all bounced around, right? Well, where would, if you were going to take the entry in this consolidation here, or this accumulation, where would you take it?
I want to take it right there. That big green, the last one where it drops down below the institutional level, comes down, goes bullish, rejects, and
That's a good entry. That's a perfect entry. But why did this happen? Look at this candle right here. Boom. Well, first of all, look at this momentum candle down. Slams down. And you go, oh, I'm not going to FOMO sell. I'm going to wait. And look, price comes back up over it and clears it out, right? Then you get no more big momentum candle. Oh, here's one. Big momentum candle. What happens? Price comes back up and respects it.
Yep.
And then it comes down. That's your crossover through the fucking, through the institutional zone. And then you can literally, you could take the rejection, do that right there. There you go. You never even see drawdown. It's that easy, man. You just get how to wait for it. Like, it isn't hard. Like, find the momentum candles that are respected, that align with everything else that you're doing, and you're gonna get into decent trades. Right? That's where you start put risk on, and it works.
My spirit never still, breaking out from old mindsets, climbing each daunting hill. When the closing bell rings echoes, I'll smile.
And that's all I got to say about that.
That's all I gotta say about it. My candle not green like your candle.
What candle?
It's coming up out of the zone. Not on the end cap.
Yeah, right here it is.
Yeah, mine doesn't look like that. Mine's gray. I got everything else the same, but the big candle that came down is red like yours, and then the two going back up, mine are both red.
Yeah, mine does that too.
Oh, you've got the color chain candles on. Go to color candles and turn it off right here. Where's that?
I thought if I turned that off, it would
Right here.
it would turn off. There was no trades, man.
No, that's just for the candle coloring.
Yep, that did it. Thank you.
Yep.
Come up there and retest that jump down.
mean,
Oh.
you can. I mean, if until you have a positioning problem, right? So I would use your
Yeah.
predator and set a limit, a dollar limit, and then put your stop where you think it should go, and that'll position size you.
Predator. And that comes with the Predator. You run the Predator on NCs.
What? Yeah. Oh, I do. You don't have to. I'm just saying, you can place your positioning on the chart based on the dollar amount you want to risk. So, like, if I wanted to enter, I put my stop here, and then this is going to move around with price, right, on Ninja Trader, and then and you have a $200-300 position size you want to do, and wherever you end up clicking short, it's going to adjust your quantity to make, if you get stopped out, only whatever you picked in dollar amount. Yeah. So this is worth a couple contracts right here. I'm gonna actually, how many ticks are we pushing to the zone there? That's 179. I'll risk that. I'm putting 2 on it, and put my stop there, and then run to the next zone there. See what happens.
Yeah, but you're not using a Predator, right?
I do most of the time, yeah, but I didn't just now because I didn't have it turned on. Let's see if we can't get this to break down here. Remember, I'm thinking we're going to the mid, and then, so.
What's your TP?
This is the institutional, 919, 920-ish, around there. See if this is gonna hold out.
Who's watching the TV?
Daniel.
What's up, buddy?
What are you watching, bro?
What am I watching?
Yeah.
Moonshiners. They're in Franklin County, Virginia, where I live. Yep. This guy, where's that house? Can you know where that's at? Where is that?
Couldn't tell you, man.
I don't know.
That looks like out in Henry. It's right outside of Rocky Mountain.
Right, it's right. Yeah,
Dude.
down in the
I gotta find him.
Yeah.
I want water.
Tick.
Not tickle.
What's his
That
name?
guy.
We're gonna have a puppy.
I'm the only one on this. I'm such a Yankee compared to you guys.
What are you talking
You
about?
guys found yourself a Yankee buddy. Well, that's where you from originally, cowboy.
Michigan.
Michigan. No, that's kind of Yankee-ish.
That
It's
was,
north.
that was 20 plus fucking years ago.
Is all your snow gone?
No. Apparently, we're getting some more tomorrow.
I can't even believe you guys got a foot. That's bananas, man.
A what?
This is crazy.
They run an alkaline pH of 8.
Do you make your own shine?
Look at all that moss.
Do I? No, I've never done it.
I was dying to make a still. I did all sorts of research, 20 years ago when I was full of piss and vinegar. I was like, I'm going to make a reflux still. This shit's going to be 180 proof. And I ran out of gas. I had a buddy who owned an orchard, and I'm like, give me all your old apples.
Yeah.
He goes, you're going to run your car on ethanol? I'm like, yeah, it's E85. He goes, you know how many apples you're going to need to distill to make 1 gallon of ethanol for your truck?
Yep. That's all. It's insane.
He said, you're going to need like 3 tractor full of apples to make 1 batch. I said, all right, I'm out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sounds like a lot.
A lot of
Sounds like
work.
a whole lot of work to me.
Yeah.
Are they gonna
And then I go
rotate-
out and bust my ass doing anything but.
Are they gonna rotate it on us?
It's not feeling great, but
That's alkaline
Oh, boy.
water. I want to find that person and get some of that water.
We probably have alkaline.
We probably do. We need to think.
as long as it's not fluoride water.
This is all hell with everything they're spraying now. Who knows what anything is? There's probably nanobots and all kinds of bullshit in it. Right?
Here we go.
None of this is real. We're actually just in a video game. We're
That's true.
Here we go.
we're learning how to play the game.
Uh,
They
There we
are,
go.
they
This
are
is the
making them.
perfect free entry.
huh?
If it rejects off that zone right there, it's gonna be a beautiful re-entry.
You gonna double down? Don't double down.
I'm not in it. I'm just watching because I'm fucking up my entries and I just want to watch it done without the pressure of trying to make an entry as well.
That's
And
fair.
just I
Fair.
watch the videos and I don't ever ask no questions because I feel like a retard for asking questions. And I feel
Dude.
like if I need to be successful at this, then I need to ask the questions that make me feel like an asshole. And
Yeah,
Mark,
dude, you got to get over yourself. There's not stupid questions. I mean, if you're asking them over and over and over,
I
and
do.
you're not getting it, but if you're not getting it, then you got to take, we got to take a different approach on explaining it to you. But, if you're like my son and you're asking the question and then just not listening to the answer, that's a different story.
Yeah, that's true.
This is not feeling good right here. Slap that shit
But-
down. I'm telling you, man. I was watching Price Action today because I'm an idiot, and there were some really, really nasty rejections. Like you could see they were just holding the line
And that's
and then
yeah.
shoving it down and holding the line and shoving it down. I was like, wow.
And then you enter and it decides to break and retest and go the opposite direction. Right. Yeah.
That's
I love
right. It's the one time the inmates get out of the asylum and then they fucking slap it back down. You're like, God damn it.
You ain't got
Yeah,
no
I agree.
All right.
Yeah, if there's anything I've learned on big moves like the last 2 days is, first of all, the second day, if you don't see something perfect, stay the fuck out, or wait.
Come on.
They're rotating this motherfucker already.
We'll go get your clothes and your pull up. That
Well, maybe not.
you can wear that.
Soon.
But you do need to get a
If you
pull
get
up.
another drop.
Let's get this shower going. I'm gonna get him going, Mom.
So I could wear the shirt and the pants.
Gotta go get me a pull up too.
Yeah, no joke, dude. We're getting to that point where I start pissing on ourselves and laughing.
What the fuck?
Astronaut underpants.
Yeah.
Really, man? No, you're not. Listen on yourself.
There you go. Dump. Come on, dump down.
Make a textbook. Like you read about.
Oh, it's Asia. They're definitely gonna fuck with you.
Oh yeah, it's just gonna
Yes,
play. They're gonna short the long 3 times before they finally all get on the same page and all go home.
Yep. Yeah, they're rotating already. Wow. We didn't even. I mean, there was.
All right, shit, I'm
Okay.
trying to get it.
Did you get stopped out?
No. No, I
Oh,
stopped
just
above
a different
the
chart.
zone.
Sorry. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, what? I don't see his position on there. Thought I was doing something wrong.
Although
My
I
God.
gotta. I'm just looking at this right here. Just looking at what they're doing.
The bed?
Yeah.
You can wear your pull up to bed if you want to. I don't care. You got a wash. You got your poop and soap and everything you need. You've already washed your hair yesterday. Okay. All right.
You got some structure going on there, sir. Set expectations and let him deliver, or her.
Who's that?
Whoever's getting their pull-ups ready.
Oh, that's my little man. I've got a set of twins, boy and a girl. They're turning 7 on the 6th on Friday.
Nice.
Yeah, I think they're gonna rotate this already, dude. Well, I mean,
My dump
just farting
is below the zone. Gary. Holy shit, that's hot. Good lord.
Oh, Cowboy, on the setup you got
The
the other
fuck?
setup where you actually have your position in.
why didn't my shit show up? The hell?
What is that lower zone?
What is going on here?
You gotta
Not printing my. The hell?
bastards.
Why isn't it showing up on the screen? Like when I put the damn thing on there. The line's showing up there, but the profile's not. Yeah, they're already rotating,
Yeah.
dude. This is probably going to be a stop loss. They're already coming up, rotating in and out. They just swept the high, swept the low, and then they're probably going to just. If they do
So
push,
that's
it's
manipulation.
well, they're taking liquidity, and it just happens. So they're probably going to just fucking range this bitch out, dude. Sweep the high, sweep the low, and then run it. Right? Typical Asia. But it's okay.
So now you know what your range is, and once you get out of that range, the Asia range there, if it don't consolidate all damn night,
But it might. Who knows? I mean, it hasn't come up yet, so I'm like not. It's not invalidated. My trade's invalidated if it breaks up here. So.
yeah. I can't tell you how many stop losses of mine got like one more tick, and it would have stopped me out, and it dove into my take profit, like scared the shit out of me, but I held it.
No, I had the opposite going a little. Where I was like, oh, it's gonna fill my TP, and then it misses it by one, and then drops all the way down. And then,
Ooh, right back to entry.
yeah.
Return to sender.
Ugh. I gotta turn off.
See, right here, normally I would be getting ready to enter for a long, just up to the up to that little end cap or whatever that is, the gray zone right above you.
This?
Yeah, the institutional zone. Like I'd send it
Hmm.
and pray. Like again, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but it's in an end cap there, and I feel like I'd be willing to go against everything. But
You
then it
can
would
get it.
flatten me in a PP. That's what my mind does. It's like I front run it, and I fuck myself every time.
Yeah, front running is not really good all the time, man.
No, it's not. Sometimes it pays off, but dude, I get my dick slapped.
Yo,
Too
bro,
much.
we're streaming, man.
Oh,
The hell's wrong with you?
this is
Flick
why I'm
tapped?
on mute. That's why I'm always in mute.
Hmm.
Dive.
In the hush before the and when the line is severed.
Well, let's.
Over this one because it's cleaner.
I want to see the orb and shit.
Urban shit.
Yeah.
Come out, man.
We're
Oh
streaming.
god, dogs. Crazy
Right.
dogs.
Oh, your sound suppressor is fantastic. Attracting only you.
You didn't hear the dogs?
No.
Really?
No, not at all.
They
Nope,
were loud
didn't
as
hear 'em.
fuck, dude. Yeah. Oh, no. Not 8 o'clock yet.
They don't get the food.
Okay, that's when I've been feeding them like at night. I don't know. That's when I feed the dogs. 8 o'clock. If I
No wonder
feed
they're
them
loud.
earlier, they don't eat it. It's there.
Really?
Yep.
They're in them. Habits, man. Habits.
Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I spent my time on paper. paid my dues. Now I catch those moves. No
Yeah, this is starting to look like rotational. They're just chopping this
Real
bullshit around.
gnarly.
Yeah,
catching those breakout trades. Big gun.
nothing I can do about that.
I'm in control. I'm the master. Price actions my
Like they've already taken the liquidity out of all of this up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop there just a little bit higher.
Hoping it hits that
And
smoother and comes down.
that's. I'm gonna decrease my risk too, so I'm gonna buy one of these back and let it run. If it starts to crash back down, I'll just start adding in. But there, it looks like they're rotating already.
This is my fight. I ride the trend. No fear, no doubt. Know when to enter, when to get
Which is kind of shit. Up, down, up, down. See that?
pure delight.
But we'll see. Now, if it does rotate long, then this is probably the low, and I'll get into it and hold it.
Faster.
And then our 4-hour candle is. Oh, look at it.
Catching those breakouts trades begun. When the market moves.
Oh, that's what's going on with that. Okay.
What did that say?
Histogram size was too large. Look at this candle, dude. This 4-hour candle. This is ridiculous. They're dojing the open.
And maybe even recipe. So, Philip, Geneva, that we understand is a Dutch word for juniper, correct, right? So, juniper, we know today is SGN. Yeah, so juniper is a great medicine, yes, right? But you don't always have fresh juniper lying around. People realize that if you kept the juniper in alcohol, it would stay fresh longer and it would work as a medicine. And after a while, people realize that medicine tasted pretty good. So juniper, Geneva in Dutch, began to refer to the drink. And it's been a recreational drink since 14.
The hell is that?
Juniper?
Oh, it looks like one. There you go. Well, they made something.
Oh, the show I'm playing.
Yeah, like we don't want to hear that shit. It's you better mic. Noise canceling. Yeah, noise canceling. Well, I think we're about to find out what's happening right now. Mm-hmm. It's kind of shitty though, man. They broke down, and then they're just chilling. Kind of shitty. Figured we get a little more than that, but I guess not. Nah, just running, dude. Oh well, fuck. The MACD is literally crossing down while ES is running up. What the fuck? That's funny. Maybe. What a shitty open, man. This is like just shit. I mean, there's nothing you can do about this. Straight up, straight down, straight up. Like we're just rotating. We're not going anywhere, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I'll just take my licking and keep on.
From Rango to V, drop on my systems aligned. High probability, I own this grind. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave, turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in
I'm not even gonna try and rotate with this because I'm not gonna get chopped out. Because they're probably just gonna reverse it, dude. When he gets up into here or some stupid shit. And I just yeah, I'm not gonna do it. It's not gonna happen tonight. So I'll just call it what it is. It's a fucking failed trade, and I'm gonna be done. Not gonna. This is the precursor to what they're gonna do for the evening. I'm not gonna trade it anymore. So that's that. Like I just literally just went the open straight up, straight down, and now we're running up again. This sucks. So swept highs, swept lows.
turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. In the moments of silence before the storm, I'm ready to strike, my instincts reborn. Every move calculated, no second guess. I'm the hunter of...
Gonna laugh my ass off when this whips back down again. It's probably gonna swipe this high and then turn around and reverse. Watch. Yeah, like that would be the... That would be what would happen to me.
I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay.
Like, where's the open to that 4 hour? So we opened here, went all the way up, all the way down. Now we're back up over the open again on the 4 hour candle. So it's probably just going to run up. I'm done with this.
Second guess, I'm the hunter of trends. I only progress.
Yep. So we just crossed over, man. It's rotating. Can't do anything about it. Rotate up, down, rotating back up again, which is rare. Like, this is rare as fuck for a daily candle to rotate like this more than once. And honestly, it happened the other day right here. Look, Rotate it up, rotate it down, and rotate it up. But it was not right at the open. It was throughout the day. So it's just a rarity. And that blows monkey balls. But it's okay. I mean, come on, man. You really think that fucking Asia is gonna push it all? Well, I mean, they could. Overnight's gonna save the day for everybody, you know? It did bounce off the trend.
I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day.
Let's see if I can't figure out what they're doing.
Searching for a spark. Now I light the way when the markets are dark. From candles to Rango, from V-Dub to MA. I'm showing how to profit and play. We don't follow the herd. We write our own script. We master the trends and let them drift. Step by step, you learn the grind until the breakout's yours to find. Learn the rules, break the mold. Together we'll ride when fortunes unfold. Trust the process, trust your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. Every lesson learned is a step you take toward a life you control. The future you'll make, no more 9 to 5, no more fears, just you in the market, no puppeteers. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. Together we rise, the path is set. You'll never look back, no room for
I wonder if this is gonna do it again, man. I would love to ride up to here. Yeah. Or back down again, you know? I would love to run up here, but our zone is not even moving. Like, it's not even stepping up or nothing. It might be a short squeeze. A really big one.
I walk the charts, my eyes on the prize. Mapping out moves, I rise and I strive. With every breakout, I sharpen my skill. I make my own way, climb every hill. I built the tools, the strategy's tight. And now I'm here to share the light. Teaching the trade, showing the flow.
Oh yeah.
So you can glow. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I walk the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find freedom today.
I mean,
We'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter.
dude, the risk is like through the roof right now. 40 points. Yeah. Actually, yeah, it kind of is.
No more mistakes. Step in the zone where knowledge flows.
I mean,
No more guessing, no more fear.
it's 100 points.
Every candle tells a story.
Got to be a pullback. If they're really trend breaking, there's got to be step back down. Got to.
I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way.
It don't got to, but more likely.
We'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. You hold the power, you got the tools, breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules. No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life one trade at a time. climb. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find
They're loving it.
freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we'll reach.
Pop around and shit.
With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter.
Yep.
Lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. We're breaking the chains, we're building our faith. The breakout's here now, elevate.
Archie was constantly trying to find a stick.
In the market, come alive.
Yeah. 5 minutes later. Yep. Or return all the way down. No in Asia.
Out with the burly, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream. I know the game, I felt the heat, wins and losses, but I don't retreat. Every tick is a battle, every trade a fight. I slay the markets from morning to night. Losses come, but I hold my ground. Learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the
Yeah, there's no trade right now, man.
every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I've seen red days, I've seen the dips, but I don't flinch. I don't lose grip, I study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. Losses are lessons, they make me strong. Each one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the fight. With every new dawn, I'm ready to strike. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart. Each day's a new chance, a brand new start. I slay the markets, nothing hold me back. With every step forward, I stay on.
This is just classic contraction expansion, man. They're contracting right here. Sweep to high, sweep to low. And this has to take this high right here for it to do anything. And it might come back down all the way to this low. Right? Unless they're going to expand already from here. They might.
Learn the markets flow with every candle, my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done. I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building the life.
Really?
Stand the test of time. No more just working to get by.
Damn.
I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in in the dirt to hands on the charts. I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by.
Yep.
I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the spread. I'm breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building the path, a life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I learn the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass
Yep.
it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. It's a rose, shift's complete, but I'm not done. I refuse.
Look at this. Look at this games they're playing right here.
Building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working till the sun goes down. I'm paving the road, I'm turning around. From hands in the dirt to hands on the screen, building a life where we live the dream.
Yep.
In the shadows of the city, where the lights don't shine, little hearts are dreaming, reaching for the sky. Mama works the midnight shift, Papa's gone away. Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold, but within their eyes a fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move.
Think about trying to take a little pop shot from here to here, you know,
For your future.
if this breaks out. But
Found a
they're not
video on YouTube, a voice so clear and
letting it go. They're just being real, like they're fucking around with it, you know. It'll probably end up doing it in like 1 second. I won't be able to get into it.
every word. In the world of trading, their freedom was stirred. Dreams once locked in silence, now they loudly sing, building bridges to tomorrow, forging everything. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what
All right, I'll do that.
you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make,
Try to get into that range up there.
for your future's sake. Now they stand on higher ground, lifting others too, sharing all the knowledge, showing what to do. From the screens to shining path, spreading hope and light, breaking every chain together, turning dark to bright. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make,
It'll probably break the previous high, you know.
for your future's sake. Hand in hand they walk the way, hearts forever
Previous 4-hour high.
breaking all
So I'll just do this right here.
destiny.
Take out 3 and then take out the other 2 at the high if it gets up there.
A new dawn's just
But it's just sitting here doing nothing now.
impoverished no more, they found their brighter days.
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling up, life's a daily grind, but there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find. Scroll through endless feeds, searching for a sign, then you stumble on a channel where your stars align. Break out, hunt to show the way, step
Oh man, dude. If they do it now, I'm gonna just call it a night. I'm not gonna play this shit. You know what I mean? Like I'm not playing it. If it doesn't run, I'm gonna just call it a day. Trade tomorrow.
Lessons every day, from the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take, building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back. Unlock the doors you lack. Break out onto shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights for your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side. Together we will rise. Imagine all the lives we change, empowered minds within our range, sharing wisdom, spreading light, turning darkness into bright. Breakout Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side. Together we will rise. Together we will rise. Now you stand on solid ground. Financial peace you found. Thank the journey, thank the God.
What'd you say? No, not really. You're fine. I'm not worried about it.
Sunrise paints the city gold. Screens glow bright.
Taking a sweet ass time, ain't it?
Shorts and grabs a battlefield. Secrets that the numbers yield. We're scalping the markets, swift and keen. Riding the waves of the unseen. Hunting with the Breakout Hunter, we align. Chasing shadows, one trade at a time. Ticks and pips, the heartbeats race. Every move a calculated pace. Whispers of a trend ignite. We dive into the fading light.
Can we just get a nice pop?
Scalping the markets, seizing the day. Eyes shut, we navigate the fray. Hunting with the Breakout Hunter by our side. In the ebb and flow we confide. Signals flash, the moment's here.
No. That one trade I was like down 160 or something.
Reward the endless dance. Fortune favors those who chance. We're scalping the
I'm trade copying it all. I trade copied it too, so a lot more than 160. But whatever. It's not that bad. 160 and shit. My daily limit's 1,000, so. Alright, come on, push. Just like a nice boom, you know? Sweep some of this range right here and run up to the 4-hour high. Starting to get some of that bullshit now. Got 1 second left on this 5-minute here. Wow, look at that, dude. Fucking Asians, man. An Asian market, dude. This shit. I don't know why. Good. No. No. The entry was solid and the take profit's solid. I'm just worried they're gonna come sweep this fucking consolidation right here again. It's Asia, man. They do stupid shit like that. So, and here we go. Like when it runs, they don't just let it. They just can't just let it run. We're gonna sweep it all again, all over again. See what I mean? You're joking me, dude. Yep, they're just there we go. Alright, I'm gonna put my stop at that low there, I think. Yeah, because if it dips anymore, it's probably coming down, dude. Hopefully it just rips from here. That was the only pullback they're gonna give, but doubtful. This fucking Asia, man. Hey, look, here it comes already. They'll consolidate this fucking bitch for the next hour and then finally do something with it. See? Already getting shut down. This 5-minute candle is just getting chunked down every time it pushes. So, I don't know. I don't trust it anymore. Seconds on the new 5, and we haven't pushed the high of the previous 5 yet. Yeah, I don't think that this is gonna just run. I think it's gonna fucking retrace and then eventually do what it's gonna do. Got 10-18 seconds left. I'm probably gonna go break even on it. Break even. I'm not playing that game. Yeah, this 5 couldn't take the high of the other 5, so I don't trust it. Covering commissions a little bit. If it explodes up, it'd be awesome, but You know what I'm saying? This 5 won't try it, isn't trying to take that high either. Yep. Typical Ace of bullshit, man. Every candle will get swept. Yep, here it comes. Here it comes, sweep everything. Move my stop to 125 just to cover, make sure commissions are covered. And I'm gonna call it a night, man. I'm done. I'm not playing this shit with them anymore, dude. They will sweep every fucking candle, dude.